Alright, well, I don't know if I'm going to do much talking. I'm going to be focusing a lot. I'm on a rental bike. I'm in Florida riding with my cousins. We got a pretty big trip planned today. The end destination we're heading to is Mount Dora, but we're kind of driving in a big loop. I think our first stop is going to be Coco Beach. I don't know if it's this bike, these roads, these tires, or what, but I've been losing traction a lot on this thing. Braking, like accelerating in turns. I've like got loose a couple times last night. That's never happened to me before. And I have a Street Bob 114. This is my first time riding a bike out of school. I guess, I mean, I don't know, I can't say that because I rode to Rhode Island. This is kind of my first time ever riding in like completely foreign territory, like way out of state. It's pretty cool. Florida, I thought was just going to be mostly straight roads, which it is for the most part, but around here we've found some pretty decent roads. Around here where my family lives, there's a pretty... Let's roll. I wasn't expecting there to be as many fun roads to ride on as there are around here. I thought it was just going to be all straight roads, flat. It is pretty much all flat for the most part, but there's quite a few roads that got some nice curves and stuff, and it's fun. I think, oh, this might be one of them actually that we're turning on. But I'm on a Fat Bob, a 2022 Fat Bob 114. It's a rental. My cousin in front of me is on his ZX9. And then my cousin behind me is on another rental, which is a brand new Iron 883. My bike's in winter storage, so I was itching to ride, so that's why I came down to Florida and rented a bike. I think we're gonna be doing almost like a 6-hour round trip today, starting with Coco Beach. End destination I think is Mount Dora, and then we're coming home a different way than we went, but I think we're gonna do, I guess there's a big Harley dealership that we're gonna stop at and check out. Make a few stops along the way. I feel like these roads are way slicker than the roads back home for some reason, I don't know. They look like they got like a layer of sand just like permanently coated on it. And I lost traction a few times last night in turns and stuff. Never really happened before. So we're just gonna be taking it easy today anyways. The Iron 883 only has like 200 miles on it, so it's not even broken in yet. This has 2,200 miles, I think, and his bike only has 600 miles on it. He's kind of just past his break-in period. This is really going to help break up my winter wait until I get my bike out of storage. I'm going to get it out like mid-March, so by the time I get home from here, I'm just going to get through February pretty much. We're kind of like in the Orlando-ish area, so there's quite a bit of traffic and tourists like at all times here. So we gotta kind of be careful, pay attention. A lot of shitty drivers. I rode that Iron before he got on it, and that thing is fucking tiny. I'm not gonna lie, I felt like I was on a mini bike. I was not feeling it. He feels pretty cramped on it too. It's got mid controls, but it also just feels like such a small bike. I gotta be careful because there's a ton of dirt roads off the main roads down here. So I gotta be careful when I see those. I gotta move over to more towards the center line. There's tons of gravel and debris. End up on the road and people pulling in and out of them. He looks bored. A lot of this ride is going to be just like this, just on a road, just going straight. I think we're on this road for another 23 miles, so I probably won't do much talking, probably just chop out most of this. I doubt the GoPro can see it, but it's like their road has like this like shimmering debris all over it. Like it looks like broken glass. I know it's not. It looks like sparkles or something. It's weird. It's tripping me out. Maybe still in stealth mode. It's pretty cool to ride through a completely different, like, scenic environment. Completely different from what I'm used to riding. Even if the roads are kind of straight like this, but I don't know, it's cool to see different areas. This is my first time ever doing something like this. I bike out of the city. It's so so funny. I really noticed the difference between these types of bikes last night when we were riding. When he's out in front of us and his bike just accelerates so effortlessly, just so gracefully, it doesn't even look like he's just on, he looks like he's just on a leisurely ride, but he's just pulling on us, and we're giving our bikes everything they got, and just to try and not get completely dusted by it. It really shows the completely different animals these bikes are. Make sure I'm recording and I'm not talking to myself this whole fucking ride. I'd be lying if I said I've never done that. Looks like he's like taking a nap. He's on autopilot or something. The new Tesla bike. We should check on him, make sure he's awake. One thing I'll give this bike over my bike is its riding comfort at like high speeds. I feel way more aerodynamic and not like quite like a parachute with forward controls and lower bars. My Street Bob with, I don't know, I just with the mid controls and the mini apes, I just kind of sit more wide. The wind is just kind of sucks. He's really just letting us know right now, isn't he? Oh yeah, it is better than my Street Bob, but it still ain't great, okay? Can you imagine owning that many cows? I wonder if one person owns all those cows. Oh wow, this is cool. I've ever done. I just realized that his taillight is in the shape of a seat. That's fucking sick. I think this is the high. It's going to be like 78 today. Sunny the whole way pretty much. I like how like it's, you can tell it's winter, but it's still tropical. That's a funky looking bridge. That looks so weird. That's trippy. Why wouldn't they make them? I mean, I guess there's a reason they didn't make them symmetrical. Damn, I had to dig deep for that word. This shit looks so slick. sick. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. I even seen it. I saw it coming and it still scared me. If we go to park somewhere to look at something, I'll swap the battery, but I'm not going to be that guy to ask to stop to swap batteries. So when we get to our first actual stop, I'll swap them. If we miss something cool, we miss something cool. No biggie. Holy shit! Is that a? I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at. It looks like a cruise ship, but it looks like it's on land. Fucking cruise ship, or is that a hotel?
That's a fucking cruise ship.
That's a cruise ship?
That's a fucking cruise ship.
Holy fuck.
It's coming down from like, yeah, top deck, 4 stories down.
I thought it was just like a hotel maybe built to look like a cruise ship, because it looks like it's like
You can go right up to it.
on land.
You can go right up to it. There's a restaurant right there.
Dude, holy shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna swap this battery.